जयति हरिरचिन्त्यः सर्वदेवैकवन्द्यः परमगुरुरभीष्टावाप्तिदः सज्जनानां निखिलगुणगणार्णो नित्यनिर्मुक्तदोषः सरसिजनयनोऽसौ श्रीपतिर्मानदो नः. I am going to tell you Sri Krishna's Leela in relation to Putana. What could be your reaction if you are bored? If you say that we know the story, if you ask what is the use, and if you listen without zeal or purpose. Okay, please answer these questions to yourself. Are you able to judge the people accurately? Are you able to tackle enemies powerfully? Are you able to be kind and forgiving? Are you good at decision making? Are you a good listener? Are you having a perfect analytical skill? You will say that I am fairly good. A few may say that because I am not good at these skills, I have failed miserably, sir. I would suggest 6 minutes of therapy and training to gain all these skills. Listen to the story of Putana Jivitahari, that is the Krishna who killed Putana. Putana decides to cheat Krishna and is kith and kin. She chooses good packaging and attractive appeal, fills the interiors with high quality poison, decorate the exteriors with alluring beauty, complexion, enchanting smile, etc. Now her finished product is ready. She succeeds in getting the child Krishna on her lap, and she has fooled Krishna and he is sucking her poisoned breast. Up to this stage, she has succeeded in her project. She wants to inform her boss Kamsa that her mission is successful and there is no lord or anyone to question or hinder me. Her exam is over. Lord's evaluation begins. Lord says that he rules the universe based on the constitution of Bhagavad Gita. In the chapter 4, in the 11th sloka, Krishna has said, Ye yatha mam prapadyante tam tathaiva bhajamiham. I shall treat them in the very manner in which they approach me. I reciprocate the same courtesy that they extend to me. He received poison. His job is to make it infinite. What was sucked was pumped back with multiple intention, intensity, quality as well as quantity. Purana is said to be senior by age, but having the latest and the lasting benefit to the listener. A cheat comes in a perfect disguise and harasses all your suspicion. His words are sweet, easy, immediate, free, at your doorstep, undemanding, just sign, just give check, etc. Consequences are unbearable. Lessons of this story can be summarized in this way. When a product or a service or person is presented very well, you have to examine well before yielding. Whether the product is Yashoda's milk or Putana's milk should be verified. Remember the Lord by the name Putana Jivita Samhari a few times and take his guidance before deciding. Be capable of very passive and mild and kind towards people like Yashoda, and be very assertive, harsh and punishing towards people like Putana. Here Putana refers men who also have similar nature. Krishna does not advocate ever forgiving and innocent role. He says that forgive 3 times if necessary and never fail to punish the wicked on repeated offences. When you have to debate, learn to grasp the entire details, then attack the opponent using his own words. Lord is kind but not a fool. He wants but not helpless. We have only 1 or 2 chances to cheat others. Lord has infinite opportunities and a long time to execute the punishment orders. If Lord chooses to punish, we shall perish. Remembering Lord's name, stories, greatness is assured to be a great skill and essential to get jnana and the mercy of Krishna. Maricha, Putana, Shakuni, etc. had exceptional skills and abilities to pull the attention of people. So beware of services which are very pleasing. They need not be always good to you. One bank manager was supposed to be very smart in his collection of dues from customers. They asked him what is the secret. He said, I offer loan only to the customers who bargain and ask concessions in the interest rate or the service charge, since they alone have intention to repay. Others who agree for all my terms and make sweet promises are likely to cheat me. Many innocent girls are victimized by poisonous men by making attractive dress, vehicle, show articles, false prestige symbols, false degrees, misguiding payslips, etc. Those men are also putanas only. When you listen to Harikatha, you should be serious with rapt attention about the words used by Sri Vedavyasa or Sri Anandatirtha or Sri Vadiraja. They are all surgeons who use words as their tools of trade to cure our mental ills. I hope this dispels the wrong notion that age-old pandits are not babbling around without stuff or any other useful job. Thank you. Meet you again with other gems of lore. Shri Krishnarpanam Astu.